Westside, Olympia, February 13th, 2021. Got about, maybe 13 inches overnight, and then 6 over the past couple days. There's Safeway. Woo! Okay, this is corner of Harrison and Division. Here we are at the 4th Avenue Bridge, downtown Olympia. Looks pretty wintry out there. Nobody's at the skate park. Now we're coming up to the homeless encampments by Capitol Lake. I do not want to be living here right now. Oh, these poor folks. Everybody's hunkered down. Hopefully they have plenty of blankets and food. Man. Here's Capitol Lake. The north side of Capitol Lake, with the Capitol back there. Somebody's cross-country skiing. You don't get that opportunity often in Olympia. There's the Olympia Brewery. Coming up to the Capitol Bridge over I-5, heading towards downtown Olympia. Looks like they plowed this at one point. I-5 doesn't look that bad. Capitol. Here we are, downtown Oly, coming in from Capitol. February. I snowboarded down that hill many, many, many years ago.